guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video.
I am back quickly with a video update for two videos I recently recorded. Normally when I do my Less Niche Down series and I talk about tools, I don't use my findings right away because I have so much to do. But right now and today, I decided to jump on a trend. And I wanted to come back with a video the same day to show you the results of using some of the things that I recommend. Now, this will not always work. Disclaimer, I do not see the future. I don't know. Sometimes I get a hit, sometimes it's a miss. But in this case, it was a hit already. So I introduced you guys to Sales Samurai. And in the search box, I decided to take one of the Let's Niche Down keywords, thankful, and I looked up thankful, blessed, and kind of a mess. I searched the history, I looked at the tags, I looked at the keyword search value in the competition. After I looked at these things, I decided to go ahead and create a PNG. I don't make SVGs, so that would be a little bit harder for me. I decided to create a black and white PNG, and in the video, I told you guys that this would be something that you can do. What I did was take my own advice and created a PNG because, again, I don't make SVGs. I created it and uploaded it in my Coins and Connections shop on Etsy using some of the tools. So I recently just uploaded it not too long ago, and so far I already have 3 favorites on that item. But it gets better. I went back to Etsy and I typed in thankful. I click on thankful, blessed, and kind of a mess. And I was like, well, I want to see if what I did using Sales Samurai, using the techniques that I learned on Etsy, am I going to be able to rank? I started scrolling, and I started scrolling, and I scrolled and I scrolled and I scrolled and I scrolled and I scrolled, and bam, I showed up on the first page. I may not be at the top of the first page, but I showed up on the first page. Using Sales Samurai and using Etsy to research keywords has been a win for me. I wanted to just show you guys that this is a great product to use. If you look at, we'll go ahead and look at the listing. My listing says thankful, blessed, and kind of a mess. I use the word fall shirt. I use the word Thanksgiving. I also made sure I put PNG digital download, and I just used the words for t-shirts, planner, journals, mugs, and stickers. And I created a different type of design. And I made sure that I created it in black and white, and I used my keywords. I'm super excited that I was able to rank on the first page using Sales Samurai and just using Etsy as a research tool. This is proof that using these techniques work, and I wanted to come back right away to show you guys that I got right on it. I did the trend, I've been successful, and hopefully when this video airs, I'll at least have a few purchases from the digital downloads.
So it is day 2 with the ranking on Etsy. I'm in an incognito window and I'm not logged into Etsy at all. I'm going to go over to the search result and I'm going to type thankful. And I'm going to scroll over to the thankful, blessed, and kind of a mess SVG. And I'm going to see where am I currently ranking now. Have I moved up? What is happening? Am I still on the page? Right now, I'm not on that first page. Not on the second page. Not on the third page. Currently, I am on the 4th page, but still only being up one day and I'm on the 4th page here with a lot of different websites. Now, if I was logged in, or this is not an incognito window, I want you guys to see the difference. I typed it in, I'm not logged in, and let's see if I'm still on the 4th page. But this is not an incognito window, just let you know. First day I ranked on the first page. Second day I'm currently on the fourth page. And I don't think I made a sale yet. That's not me. I may still be on the fourth page. I'm on the fourth page. Again, not bad for something I just uploaded yesterday. I don't know how long I'll do these updates, depending on how long it will take for me to edit this video. We can go through this. I don't know when I'm going to publish this video, but I'm going to try my best as long as I can to continue to update you guys on the ranking. It is day 3, and this will be the final update that I'll do on the ranking video. I'm going to go ahead and type in thankful. I'm not in an incognito window, but I'm also not signed in. I just hit the thankful, blessed, and kind of a mess SVG. I'm just going to scroll through all of these until I find my design to see what page I am on now. Not on page 1. Scrolling, not on page 2. I am on page 3. That's an update from yesterday where I was on page 4, and I'm going to sign in real quick to see if I sold. I have not sold any of the downloads, the digital downloads, but the ranking has moved up from page 4 to page 3. I feel like it's doing really good. Day 1 I was on page 1, day 2 I was on page 4, and now day 3 I'm on page 3. I hope you guys enjoy this real time, even though you won't see the video in real time, but I was able to kind of just take you through the steps. I don't do a lot of videos on Etsy just because even though I've been on Etsy for a long time, I'm always learning and I just don't feel super confident and doing a whole Etsy tutorial. I'm just, if it's like Etsy and Printful, yes, but like Etsy as a whole, I'm not ready to teach that or, do an in-depth video on Etsy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time. I hope you're enjoying my content and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.